Okay, so the two knives that we're stocking are the 4-star and the Pro. Slightly different with the handles and the hold of the knives. This one's more of a traditional chef's knife. This one's been out and about since the 70s. Again, looking for this motion where we rock it. This one's the newest of the knives on the Pro, and again, over-exaggerated blade. Also the hold, we're encouraging people to hold it from the top, round this neck here, wrapping our fingers round, really creating this lovely rocking motion. You get more of a motion with this because obviously the curb is so much more on them. So really lovely knives. Both of them are German stainless steel. Both of them are ice hardened, where we take the stainless steel up to a very high temperature, down to room temperature, down to minus 70 degrees, back up again, and then back up to 300 degrees, where we take the molecules, break them up, and bring them so they forge nice and tight together, which gives you a really strong finish to the metal. It also gives you a sharpened edge to the metal and flexibility, which becomes really important when we're using something like the filleting knife, where we can really show you the bend with that ice hardening really comes to life on it. Sharpening. These are sharpened at 20 degrees. You'll need to use both a diamond coated steel and also a honing steel. This one sharpens, this one maintains. So to sharpen, your steel goes down onto a board, okay, a little bit of a stand behind it, make sure you're nice and secure. Sometimes it's nice to be using a damp cloth underneath it, okay. Then you put a nice firm grip, and we're looking for 20 degrees. One person per household, or one person using the knife, should sharpen the knife, because obviously the degree, the angle will slightly change. Some at 19, some at 20, some at 21. So here's our 90 degree, half of that's 45. If we start up right at the top of the steel here, tickle it down, 3 or 4 gentle strokes, and here we have our knife being sharpened. After sharpening, then we give it a little rub up with the honing steel. This one here takes all the rough edges, the burr away, and we just rub that down so it's nice and sharp. Knife is now nice and sharp, ready to go. All we need to do, we need to go through this process about every 2 to 3 months, where we sharpen. The maintenance steel is around about every hour and a half you use it. That way you'll keep your knives nice and sharp. Now, we know that's a 20 degree angle and German stainless steel, ice hardened. Then we move on to the Japanese knives, okay, where these are the strength in it, one core strength into the knife itself, fully forged, full tang all the way back. So one piece of metal, strengthen it. And then we have 50 layers each side, bringing it up. So when you then sharpen this on a stone, smooth maintains it, the rougher stones sharpen it, cross the stones like so. Then you'll sharpen this up at a 16 degree angle. So Japanese knives at a 16 degrees, European on 20 degree angles. The Europeans are using steels, these ones here using whetstones. This is a santoku. This one will cover fish, meat and vegetables, and uses a chopping motion, fingers down, chopping across, where your Europeans with the exaggerated blade are more of a rocking motion like this.